This method works for people all around the world and is one of the simplest ways to make money online. There is no selling, affiliate marketing, or social media followers necessary, and no prior experience is required. You may get started right now. All you have to do now is copy and paste some text, and if you stick around until the end of this video, you'll be able to make a lot more money. I'll show you 3 more places where you can earn money.
Hey there! Welcome to Online Money Mastery. I teach tips and tricks in making money online. Subscribe to the YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you'll be updated whenever I upload a new video. Just smash the like button and leave a comment below. Now let's jump to the video.
So let's get started right now so I can show you how to use Google to get paid again and again. All of this will take less than 30 minutes to complete. If PayPal isn't available in your country or you don't want to use it, I'll show you how to utilize other payment methods. If you don't want to use PayPal, you can use other payment methods such as bank transfers, Payoneer, and so on. Anyway, let's start with the first step. Go to www.google.com. The second step is go to the search bar and enter Google News. I want you to go to the first official website, news.google.com, after searching for Google News. This is a site where you can discover the most recent news and articles on a variety of topics from around the world. It's similar to a newspaper. You can find anything. On this website, you may find news on politics, business, technology, entertainment, sports, science, health, history, and everything else you can think of. So, how are you going to make money with this? Stay tuned to find out exactly how you can get your free PayPal money. So, on the left-hand side, you have all of the categories. World News, which is about what's going on with the world right now. We will not focus on your local news because you have your own. You want to concentrate solely on business, technology, entertainment, sports, science, and most importantly, health. For example, if I select the health category, I will be presented with all of the most recent news and articles relating to health. So let's scroll through this page and see what we can find. As a result, this article picks my attention. This was just recently uploaded and is a fantastic piece that a lot of people will want to read. So, all you have to do now is open one article. You will not be required to write articles, so don't worry. You don't have to sell anything, so don't be concerned. This has absolutely nothing to do with affiliate marketing, CPA marketing, or any other type of marketing. All you have to do now is open that article and begin copying content from that specific article. For instance, I'm going to duplicate this right here. Now, I'll go to step 3 and go to spinbot.com, which is the third website we'll be using. You'll need to paste the story you discovered on Google News here. Spinbot will rewrite the article for you, allowing you to have the entire article written in your own words, making it truly unique. You'll be able to use those articles on 3 other websites which I'll share with you. Those websites will pay you for your writings. In fact, some of them will pay you $1 for each word. As you can see, the articles can include thousands of words. Anyway, once you've located the article, copy and paste the text into this box. Scroll down a little and then click I'm not a robot and then click Go. That's going to have to rewrite the entire text. As you can see, the context is nearly identical, yet the words are different. Now all you need to do is copy the rewritten article and proceed to the 3 websites so that you will be paid.
Before I show you the next steps in making money online, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe and bell icon so you'll always be updated about new ways to make money online.
Eatingwell.com will be the first website we will use. As a result, you can contribute your own articles to eatingwell.com. You can submit articles to this website and be compensated for your efforts. Instead of spending days producing those articles, you can now utilize Google News and Spinbot to create original and high-quality articles for which you will be paid up to $1 per word. This is only the first website, and I have another 2 for you, so you can earn up to $1 for every word merely by using this website. This means that if you obtain a 1,000-word article, it could cost you $1,000. It took you less than 30 minutes to copy and paste everything. So, how can you actually submit your articles to get paid for them? You will need to go down a little bit on this page until you discover this section where you may find their contact details. So simply copy their email address. Go to your email and send them an email with the subject line submission or article submission or anything similar, and attach the file with your own article that you wrote. They will check your email after you submit it, and if they like it, they will ask for your payment information. If you want to get paid using PayPal, you'll let them know. You'll tell them your PayPal and email address. If you prefer to be paid by bank transfer, simply provide your bank information. The same applies to the other payment methods. News stories on Google News arrive every couple of hours. That's why your options are virtually limitless. Rewrite those articles with Spinbot, paste them in a Word document, or save them to your PC and submit them to these websites. So, eatingwell.com is the first place where you may post your content. On sierraclub.org, you may also submit articles. To submit your articles to this website, go to their website and follow the guidelines there. To contact them, simply send an email to this address. Thus, you may copy this and paste it into your email as the contact information. And subject line, simply fill out a submission and submit your content. You will no longer be able to submit health and fitness articles to sierraclub.org as you did with Eating Well, but you will be required to discover anything linked to technology or science. So, open an article in the science category, copy the text, and paste it into Spinbot, allow them to rewrite it, and send it to sierraclub.org's email address. daily.jstor.org is the third and last web page where we can post your articles. You may read more about how it works by visiting their submission criteria. This website will give you a little less money, but it's still a fantastic one to use because it allows you to earn some extra money while also maximizing your results. The best part about this website is that they will only ask for up to 2,000 words from you and will pay you roughly 31 cents per word. So, while it's not as high as the previous two websites, it's still respectable at 31 cents per word on average. The more articles you submit to these websites, the more money you can earn. Of course, not every article will be accepted, but even if you only get one a day, that's still hundreds, if not thousands of dollars. Simply by copying and pasting, it was all completely free, and you don't have to wait. You can start using this method right away. To summarize, go to Google News, select a category from the left-hand side, and select the story that you like. Copy the text from an article, use Spinbot to make it unique, then submit it. You can repeat this process indefinitely and earn a substantial amount of money.
Thank you for watching. If you like this video and enjoy my content, be sure to leave a thumbs up below to support my channel. And for you not to miss any of my future videos, then click on the subscribe button and make a ring on the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever a new video pops up. This is Online Money Mastery. Happy earning! See you in the next video.